Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and today we're going to be talking about, will Bitcoin reach 45k? Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, whenever this stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Again, pin at the top of the chat. How's it going, people? Iron Hawk, yo, Andrew, and Tristan. Yo, guys, thank you very much for being here and being part of this awesome crypto community. Right? Is it Twitch stream live? It should be. It should be. I'm not sure if it's live or not. I should be going live on both. Right now that I posted the message, it says it also went to Twitch, so you know both should be there. As far as my knowledge, and I can see myself on Twitch, so yes, it's still live. So yeah. Anyways, like, bell, sub. Yo, you're gonna see this rig here on the side. It is a 3D printer. I just got in today. I bought it a couple weeks ago. It already arrived at my parents' house, and it just basically got forwarded to me today, right? Yeah, that's awesome. So yes, I used to have another one. I sent it back. I had an Elegoo Neptune 2S. It was a nightmare. It was like I know a lot of people have really good experiences with that one. I didn't. It was a horrible 3D printer for me. I'm getting this one. I already printed some, like, you know, calibration cubes. They came out fine. Very, very accurate off the box. Like, they're supposed to measure 20 millimeters, so I got 20.14, 20.09, all right, and then 20.03 on the Z-axis. So very, very accurate printer off the box, and I haven't gone back to tweak it. I printed some, like the other file that they have that comes right out of the box, and I'm trying to figure out where I placed it, because I was playing around with it and showing it off to the wife and the kids. It's a small owl. It looks really good, actually. I have no clue where I left the owl, so maybe I left it by the drinking fountain when I went to get the water, so the water dispenser. Anyways, cool stuff though, cool stuff. Let's jump on to the markets. Yeah, this one is Anycubic Cobra. They just came out with them on March 28th. Costs about the same that I spent on the Elegoo Neptune, but it's so much better. It's a direct extruder, so it's so much better, man. Yeah, it is quiet, and it runs super smooth. I printed the small owl test owl, but you know, I don't know where I left it. That's my bad. Had it with me, and then I showed it to the wife, and I have no clue where I placed it, but the owl came out perfectly. There are just some minor details. Right now I'm going to print a Deadpool bust. We're going to see how that one works, and let's see who grows from there, right? Kevin, I haven't, but I might be able to print a baseball for you. It's not going to be the same. Anyways, let's jump on to where the magic happens. So here I had to cut off the screen a little bit, so you're not going to see the printer bugging you out. And let's get rid of my Gmail here. So yeah. Yeah. So can you guys see the screen? I guess you guys can see the screen now, right? Here we go. Right on. Ha, ninjas. Yeah. That's awesome, dude. Yeah. There's none of that. It's just American Consumer Opinion, eBay stuff, Amazon stuff, Homebrew Con, comic shop want list, stuff I'm not gonna buy right now. Free Bitcoin, want a Lambo, Google alerts for news. Good stuff. There's nothing personal shown, so that's good. No worries. Alrighty, let's roll. Because now, like, if my hand goes here, I get cut off. So if I just move here, oh no, my face is gone. So it's just kind of weird. Again, because of printers here, and I'm testing it and checking out the print, at least for the first couple days until I move into its final place, I'm going to have to be with a smaller pane, I guess, where I can see it. So, all right, let's go see what's happening, right? Total market cap. The total market cap. For some reason, the volume's down here, and it shouldn't. Volume should be up there, man. How do I send the volume up? No, it's gonna hide it. Should move to 16 pane above. There we go. I'm not sure why volume shifted down, but here it is, right? What is happening on market cap? Market cap. We are still in the triangle, so nothing. Nothing since, yesterday. So basically, we did try to rally and get out, and like I said, test that 1.92 trillion. Don't to get above it, but at least we hit it. Yay! Still in the triangle, though. Need to break out of it and get above that 20. Now we have the little resistance up there, right? At 1.928. We have that, and then, 20 moving average at 1.926. So 2 resistances overhead. If we do move down, which I'm not sure is going to be the case right now, we would be aiming for the target here at 1.847 trillion. And with that, let's go check out the Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit targets, right? We said 42,000 2 days ago. We were there. Now we're coming back down. Oh no, we almost went up to that upper portion there. If we do rally still, we got to break out of the triangle again to the upside and above that 20 moving average. But like we said, I do believe we are in this here upsloping channel, and we need to break that 20 and then break that mid part of the channel. We also need to get above here at FIV at 40,512. So need to go up higher, right? Yeah. Yep. Right. So that's it in the daily. Neutral at 47.47. On the 4-hour chart, what do we have? Well, as you can tell, we're coming up higher. And then here in the short bit move, we are coming in lower, right? So if we do look at this separate moves like we are right now, first thing that we got was the bearish divergence. So we knew it was there, right? That was going to put pressure on the price, and it did. It did put pressure on the price. And that pressure basically was shown by us moving sideways, right? So we move sideways here. And oh, that's weird. 1 second. Making sure that is going on fine, I guess. Not sure. Anyways, I'm not used to having a printer on the desk while I'm doing the stream, so it just makes it feel really weird. Yeah. Because now I'm starting to get like small shakes on the desk, and that is from the printer. So interesting, I guess. Is this legit one? I'm not sure. That bottom layer is not looking really good, so I'm gonna have to check it out in a second. Anyways, that is part of the reason that I wanted to have the printer here and see what's happening. Anyways, what is going on here? We had the bearish divergence. We moved sideways. On the 1 hour, we hit that 20 pop and dropped, right? So it popped. Now we're dropping. We had that bearish divergence coming still. Pressure to the downside, moving down. Now trying to hold. Nothing here that is bullish after this strong bullish that we had when we started the rally. And we're sitting neutral at 57.75, right? That's it. On the 1 hour chart. It's really dirty in the desk. Yeah, I can't see it because the camera is moving. It's not moving, but it's weird. So, what do we do here? We had the bearish divergence. Remember, I said we're gonna hit the 20 and see if we pop again. I was waiting for that hit to be earlier, right? Maybe you're like, somewhere around here, midnight or so. We got until like 2 in the morning, and then we popped. But on that pop, what happened? More of the same stuff again. For some reason, the trading view is still weird when I come down to the 4 hour and the 1 hour charts, but we'll see. Again, so coming up higher, coming down lower. We don't have this here against the RSI. It's just against the MACD, some strong bearish divergence. We had the possibility for action down, so we did move down, breaking below that 20, right? That's it. Low to high, dude, negative, less negative, more negative. lower, so nothing here that is bullish. All we're doing is just trying to consolidate right now. All right, we're trying to consolidate here sideways, and that is fine on the 4 hour. No, it wasn't the 4 hour. Was it on the 1 hour? I can't remember. I was looking at something earlier. Oh yeah, this Twizzler, sort of Twizzler bottom that we were getting. It didn't play. It dropped. Happy 420. Happy 420, man. And again, just moving sideways right now, trying to reclaim that 20 moving average. Let's go to Ethereum, man. What the fudge? That is a really weird layer that is printing. It's like not straight. It looks... Maybe this is the app. I'm not sure. It's just not looking good as a layer. I'm gonna let it print until the next layer, and then I'll see what's going on. It shouldn't be like that. So we'll see. Anyways, I know you guys can't see what's happening there, but I can. This looks like a horrible bottom layer. Sorry guys. Gotta make sure this is running right. Yeah, again, new toy, so let's keep rolling, right? Let's keep rolling. Leave it alone, see what you end up with. No, I don't want to waste filament. It's just wasting plastic, right? Is it too late to turn the bed temp up? No, the raft is fine, right? That print on the bottom, the raft is fine. It's just a new layer that's coming in. I'll take a picture and I'll post it in the Discord, and then we'll be able to see what's going on. Because it's really weird, man. I mean, I like this thing, but you know, just for some reason that layer is not really looking the best. Also, the picture's not going to be the sharpest. I didn't focus it a lot, but let's go on the Discord, post that in general. And I'll show it in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See, the raft is fine. It's just this layer is starting to get a lot of gaps. And it's not really adhering. And I know that's no longer the raft, because the raft has already printed. Now, this has been going on for about 50 minutes already, so I'm intrigued to see what the next layer does. So I'm gonna let this layer run, and then if the next one's still looking horrible, because it's gonna be all wavy now, I'm gonna have to get rid of it. I'm gonna have to pause and see what's going on with the printer. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Ethereum, what are we doing on Ethereum, guys? Again, kind of a mixed stream today. Kind of a mixed stream. We did pop again, 3,158 rejection. So right now we're still didn't quite bearish engulf. We just pierced that candle, and now we're trying to recover, which again, it's okay. About to get across the MACD over the signal line, could start making some of that positive momentum and get some nice rally coming in. Neutral at 48.74. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we popped more. On the short-term move, we created some strong bearish divergence, right? Look here, bam. Oh my goodness. What is this madness that we're reaching targets? Yay. Alright, so that's a move there, and then the move, I think, comes from here, and it just goes to here, right? So bearish divergence strong, potential fraction of downside, moving down, finding support at 20, and again, trying to move higher. So now to go to the 1 hour, I have to go to the daily, and now we're good. Look at this, again, still coming up higher here, right at that resistance, right? 3,158, and what happened afterwards? Look at this, oh no. Right, that's it. That was the weirdest layer I've seen printed. I mean, take it as gonna be the bottom of the print. It's gonna be the bottom of the print. I already bought a 3D printer before. I had to return it. It wasn't printing the best. This one, the other print was really good off the bat. I'm wondering what could be different in this one. Maybe the slicing? I'm not sure. It looks weird. Bed is still at temperature, so the bed's gonna be at temperature for the whole print. And like I said, maybe the thing is that it is just the first layer. That's gonna be the base, so that's not gonna be seen. But you know, you also don't want to have a bad base to begin with, so thinking maybe something I enabled could be screwing up with it. I'm trying to see how this new print is coming, these new layers coming in, and it's looking a lot better actually. I think so. I'm gonna let it run for a bit. Gonna come back to it, maybe a little bit longer. Do we have anything else going on here? No, nothing bullish, right? We're just sideways and below that 20 moving average at 3,087. Guys, Jake, I think, wants to say something about his project, or it may. I'm not sure. One of the two want to say something about the project, so I'm gonna be in mod chat so they can talk and we can listen to what their project is about, because they have their own. Kind of looks like something might be too hot. No, filament is fine. It's at 190 Cs, so it's not super hot, because this one, if it goes too hot, it just melts. And Amay's here. All right. So, can you talk, Amay? I want to see that I can hear you. All right. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in voice chat. You guys are going to be able to hear Amay and Jake, and they want to talk about their projects. So, if you guys want to send me links or whatever you need me to look at, I'll definitely check it out. I think Jake just sent me something, so. Let's get this rolling, right? The Peppy pages. All right, cool. Tell us, Jake, what is this thing we're looking at, please? You guys can. I just want to make sure. Can you guys hear Amay and Jake? Let me know, please, in the chat, because I want to. You should be heard. Let's try this. Can you talk, Amay, real quick? I'm gonna pause the music. Yeah, it says they can't hear you. All right, for some reason, voice chat. Oh, voice chat's not coming through. All right, 1 second. I gotta fix this real quick. For some reason, voice chat is not coming through. So we're gonna send it to something happened here. So I gotta put this on voice chat. There we go. And I put this on where's the voice chat? Can you talk again? No, you guys are not coming through. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can do it here. Yeah, 1 second. I'm trying to see if I can get you guys to be heard. I know you're like the voice chat thing was moving a second ago. No, it shouldn't matter. They should be able to hear you regardless of what we were doing. So let's see how this goes. All right. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this to go. It isn't. All right. All right. Oh, I think it's because it's coming out to my headset, I guess. So if I go here. 1 second. Wavelength. Voice chat. Maybe if I go here. Can you talk again? I'm not sure if I can hear you.
Nope, can't talk.
Oh, now they can hear you. There it is.
You can see the
Yeah.
sound bar. Cool.
Yeah. You guys should be good.
All right.
I think you're coming in too
MA.
hot. I'm gonna have to lower your volume. That's fine.
MA, take it away.
Yeah, let's just get it one chat
Cool.
confirmation to make sure.
Yeah, I guess so.
Can you guys hear now, Jake and May? By the way, let me know because they want to talk about their project. So we're gonna look at it real quick. And,
You've been working on this for 2 months.
You've been working on this for 2 months. The Pepe Pals. All right,
Okay,
cool. They
this
can hear
is
you.
good. All right, cool.
So
Yeah, we are all
Go
good.
ahead.
MA, take it away.
Yeah, so still a work in progress on the website and a few things, but we literally just launched earlier today. It is a Pepe Pals named NFT project on the Bitcoin blockchain. Martin has the website up, and thank you, Martin, for giving us a chance to talk about it.
yeah, no worries, man.
So currently, we do have a dispenser listed for our Pepe Pals token, which is the minting token for artists if they would like their artwork added to our Pals Decks collection of Pepe Pals and friends. Each of the tokens right now of the first series will also be included a Founders Edition card and then some other promo cards that are pretty much for marketing.
Hey, Mark, can
Okay.
you click that little promo card link under in the kind of bottom rightish promo? It says under other links.
Yeah, got it. Okay. So there's one that says founder cards, promo card, and holiday card, right?
Yeah, so the Founders
Right.
card is the one that will be given with the Pepe Palace token, the main minting token. So you'll get 1 and 1, and then you'll also get about 200 of the promo cards to give away or whatever for marketing or sell later if it becomes valuable. But the Founders card is we use Countercord in the Pepe Pals Discord, which is a Bitcoin and XCP asset verification tool, so we can verify who founders holders are in the Discord. So they have special access in the Discord, and then also founders holders will also be eligible for airdrops in the future and stuff.
All right, cool. I like that. So
And we're working on a whole guide to walk through the process on creating your token or minting, sending us your artwork. Like obviously we're open for our what we're calling our Series 1 cards. So we're hopefully going to get a whole bunch of random artists to come together and join the project. If you want, you could go to the templates page real quick, Martin, at the top middle, and
Yep.
it'll show, and then you can randomly click on some of them inside of there. It'll bounce around to the different preset
right.
templates we've got if people wanted to drop their art into an existing template.
All right, cool. And they all look like Pokemon cards, right?
Similar, yeah, but
Why all this Peppy symbol, like, the Peppy Pals hands on different places? Like, does it matter? Like the color,
no, it
or?
doesn't matter. It's just different options for people. So you can keep clicking through until you get to one that you like, and then it would open up as like a downloadable image.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, and you guys have any more art that's ready? Or there's just
For
full
Pal-
art.
Yeah, if you click all the way through, it becomes a downloadable. So like.
No, yeah, but I wanted to know if you guys had already, like,
Yeah,
art besides the ones we
Pals
saw.
Decks has two live cards that actually one still needs to be listed to be on market. The other one's at a dispenser.
So where do I get Paul's X? All right. All right, cool. There's one says Giuseppe and he's moving his tongue, and then you have Satoshi Pal that says reminiscing. It's pretty cool. All right, let's click it. Oh, takes me to the site.
Yeah, that's
All
the actual asset. That's like an NFT of that card. So it's on Xchain. There's currently 3 dispensers for it. If you click dispensers right there. Well, there's one dispenser of 3 of them, and I have them listed for like 330 right now. If anybody wants them, that's I'm not too worried about trying to sell those cards because I like them. They're like, I made that card, and I'll hold on to that for a while. Like, I'll get a good value for it. Like, I'm not worried about selling it right now, honestly. But if I listed 3. If people want to buy some, they're like $300 right now for mine. MA's got a lot more cards than me. I only made 10 of mine, so MA might list his a little cheaper. But that's the thing, is the artist, like, once they mint their own, they can sell their own NFTs, and that's how they can make money from the project too. And then it's like a collection of all these artists together.
But this is just on the whole thing is that it's on Bitcoin, right? It's not on Ethereum. It's not on anything else, right?
Correct. Yeah. When you click the card and it took you to Xchain, that's on Bitcoin. Xchain is built into Bitcoin blocks.
All right. Cool. Awesome. So, anything else you want to tell people about the project? When is it launching? Was it supposed to launch today? Or isn't it supposed to launch today?
It's currently launched. I sent you a tweet. That's our launch tweet. We just launched earlier at like 2 hours ago in 10 minutes.
All right. Awesome. That's great, man.
And basically, if anybody's got questions, we've got an email or a Discord or a whole bunch of other stuff they can reach us. Otherwise, we appreciate you taking the time to let us show it.
Yeah, no worries, man. I mean, this is an open forum. Anyone can come in and talk about their projects and things like that. So thank you guys for stopping by, talking about your project, and best of luck with this. I'm intrigued. I want to post something there, I guess. Make one of these small cards and see how it goes. So, what is this thing? How do you claim these cards? The Pepe Pal tokens or whatever? Like the founders ones.
So, in the dispenser for the Pepe Pals, they're $500 a token, and you get one of those, one of the founders, and then and 200 of the other ones. But we can probably do a some sort of partnership or something. But
it's all good, no worries. Yeah, we can check it out, man. I mean, it looks good. I want to see how the project keeps on going. You have a holiday card. I'm not sure when you're gonna be releasing that. It looks, like it would have been a really good holiday to release something on today.
right, yeah, that would have been funny. Maybe next year.
Yeah, we'll have multiple holiday cards coming, and then most likely founders holders will just automatically get at least one, if not multiple copies of them. And there's chances that we'll have a rotating holiday cards and just a whole bunch of stuff trying to release where we can as just additional bonuses.
Yeah, awesome. All right. It looks like go ahead.
The founders token is basically like like we really want to reward the people that are trying to help us succeed on our first series. Like that's going to be like an everlasting like reward token that they're able to sell and stuff later if they want to. So
all right, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna jump back into the charts real quick. Someone's talking about the sideways motion, and then we're gonna come back to the Pepe Pals. Just give me one quick second. Yes, the sideways motion is good for a scalp. It could be. I mean, particularly if we break above, right? Like I said, you're always looking for breaks on Bitcoin. We're above that 20 moving average. Could be aiming again to try to break that area, but ultimately we're looking for a break above 42,996. We knew. I kind of knew 40,000 was going to be a resistance. We did reject 42,188, so 42,200, if you will. And that's why 2 days ago was like, Bitcoin to 40,000, and we were there. And, I was telling you guys, if we do hit that 20 and pop, 40,000 is going to be real. If we break below the 20, we're going to be going for that 40K. We did hit 40K, but the high 40Ks, 40,900s. I think we're consolidating right now at this level before we try to move back up. And we don't really have a lot to go on. That's a bad thing. Like, there's nothing bullish that's going to help us rally. Last thing we have is just bearishness. So if the market is trying to switch on to bullish, the bearish indicators might fail to play out, but I don't think that is the case for now. There's a lot of indecision. A lot of people, and you can tell because a lot of people's emotions are going nuts on Twitter, right? You see people that they're really bearish, and all of a sudden we get a small pump, and everyone's going bullish again really quick. So a lot of sentiment on the market, and that's not how you want to trade. You want to be really cool and confident. You want to know what's going on. You want to have a plan as to what's going to be happening. As we probably see me sitting here and not being like all super happy, but also not super bearish, just because I don't think we're at an area where we can determine that we're going to go full on bullish or that we're going to be bearish for now, right? So I think it's a waiting game right now, trying to move sideways, like I said, particularly in the 1 hour, and see if we either continue breaking to the upside or start breaking to the downside again. We need to reclaim 48,000, 49,000 to get above 50K. Otherwise, we could still be in this area for quite some time. It'd not be weird if we keep on consolidating this level, maybe even drop to the 30Ks, high 30Ks, mid 30Ks. But let's see how Bitcoin keeps on moving. And again, right now it's a patience game. We just gotta wait and see how things keep on going, right? So, all right, real quick, back onto the Pepe Pals. But before I do that, just gotta remember that for longs and shorts, make sure you're not using a lot of leverage, otherwise you're gonna get wrecked really fast, particularly things turn south on long. You're gonna basically lose your trade. So make sure you have your risk measured properly, and then you can go from there. All right, so Pepe Pals, guys, anything else on the Pepe Pals front? So 500 for the founders card, and then you get one founders card and then 200 promos, right? So that's how it rolls.
Well, it's for the minting token technically,
right.
And then the founder card comes with that. You get 200 promo cards, and actually the minting token, the Pepe Pals, The artists, once they submit their art, they actually have the option to buy that token back for 250. So they can basically keep minting artwork if they want to, or they can relinquish the token.
Right.
And then we would put it into a dispenser for 500 at that point. But
all right. So it costs 500 for me to be able to mint something on this project. All right.
And then you can sell your own NFTs that you mint, and you can buy your token back at 250.
All right.
And we try to do that so the artists can, keep minting if they want to, if they're being successful at it.
Yeah.
But also so that way it's not like, one person doesn't need to buy 30 tokens really. They can buy one or two if they want to and just keep reusing them.
Right. So I'm gonna try to show something here real quick. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. So I have something here on MetaMask, but I need to go to my thing here, and then how can I see what I have here? My collections. Here we go. So once a long time ago, wow, it says no collections found. All right, so on sale, I have a lot of things on sale, I guess. All right. Ooh, content is not available. Refresh metadata. That's weird. I never have that happen before. I guess something got lost. I have these things, but for some reason my United States of Crypto flag got taken down, I guess. That's awkward because it was a pretty good video. It says refresh metadata, but it's not showing. But anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. I have these things on Rarible, right? Like some of them I made as a joke, like the Big Coon Comedian, which obviously is a joke on the guy who taped the banana and sold it for a shitload of money. I'm not expecting this to sell. It's just a joke to be there. But I had this United States the United Crypto flag where just it says a lot of crypto things, Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrencies, freedom, whatever. And what I don't like is the fact that the flag is not showing up. It was like an inverse flag of the U.S. with a lot of crypto logos on them. So, but for example, if I grab this, could I make this an NFT on your on your platform? I guess would that work?
Yeah, I'd recommend maybe burning some or something from there then if you want to put it over on a different NFT platform. But yeah, that's fine.
All right,
you can
cool.
totally do that. Xchain supports images, GIFs, video.
Right. All right.
Yeah, the only piece would be there'd be a minor dimensional constraint.
Oh, here it is.
It's got to fit into the which that would, but it's got to just fit into the template or the overall shape of and orientation of the card.
All right. Now it's showing, so that's pretty cool. This is one I would love to make an NFT. Yeah.
Well, yeah, and that's something you don't have to do an NFT as part of our project. You can make your own NFT. It costs $5 on Bitcoin.
All right.
It just wouldn't be a part of any project or anything, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, it would not be associated with a group, I guess, or a
Yeah, or you can make your own website or your own series of NFTs or something, your own artwork, But yeah, we're just trying to kind of build the NFT artist community a little bit more and the Pepe community, and because who doesn't love Pepe?
Well, that's what I was gonna ask. Why is Pepe so important?
It's just a freedom thing in a way.
All right. You should make an NFT of Snoop Dogg smoking a joint with Pepe or something, and sell and put it up for 420. That'll be hilarious.
That's a pretty good idea. I was thinking of making a Hash Brown one.
Like Hash Brown, the singer?
Yeah.
Right. Awesome. So we can see Bitcoin trying to take off again there. And it's getting a little bit of pullback. Dude, it just needs to run. It wants to run. It's just being held back. 41,789 on the corn. It's just a shell stream today. So I'm trying to look back here real quick. Guys, sorry, man. I gotta look at this real quick, make sure everything's coming in fine. It's looking okay, I guess. Just a bit, yeah, that first player was weird. I'm not sure. we'll see how it keeps on printing, and then we'll see how it rolls. Yeah. So, guys, do you have any questions for Jake or May now that they're here in the chat and they can answer them? Please let me know, and then we can go back to the Peppy Pals projects and as we, answer the questions you guys might have. So, if you have any questions, again, yeah, put them up on the chat. Like if you have questions about minting things in their projects and other things that might be happening, please let us know. All right. Yeah, there's the link Jake just posted on the chat. You guys can go check out the project as well there on the GitHub. I'm leaving it open right now for questions, but now I know why Blake. I think you just got a name change there. Yeah, they're minting coins. They're minting projects. All right. So no questions, I guess. Anyone else want to look at anything else? Because I haven't seen any requests for coins either. Just let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to keep on moving through stuff, right? Can I go here in the ADA real quick, I guess? Cryptoman 5000, what's up, dude? No one's gonna have ETH to donate to Tesla for funds, whatever. How about that Netflix crash, right? We talked about it yesterday. I told you guys it was gonna go down still. You wanna see what happened? Before I'll gonna come back to this, but let's go to Netflix real quick. Happy 420. Yeah. All right, 226, right? Look at how we dropped today still. Remember I told you guys it was going to say panic selling? I wouldn't consider it like super panic selling, but still dropping another, 9% on opening, right? Because we can see that we dropped here on opening 7%. That's pre-market. That's when the market opened at 8:30. And we just moved sideways, right? So we dropped and moved sideways. And the question is, what's going to happen tomorrow? Are we going to start looking for a bounce, right? Are we going to start looking for a bounce? I think Netflix has to get a reaction rally. I'm not sure if we got one last time it was trading. So last time it traded, we got some kind of rally, but it didn't happen immediately. So it's not necessarily a reaction rally. We dropped and then dropped more. And then we got a reaction rally here throughout the day, right? So we dropped on the probably pre-market, reaction rally, dropped, reaction rally, and then we were sideways and then pump a bit. So I think we could be looking for something similar to this happening. I'm waiting for a kind of reaction rally to come in. We could get a quick pop, play some quick profits of Netflix, and then go from there. Yes, it's all over the news. They lost about, I can't remember if it was like 200,000 subscribers or something. They came short. A lot of people are saying it's because of the Russia and the Ukraine situation, and that affected them, as well as inflation, people being hit by inflation and trying to be more conscious about what they spend their money on. So if that is the case, then yes, it could be that those two are factors. But I also believe that since a lot of people are, moving out of COVID, maybe they're working again, they're on a full schedule, maybe they're no longer just want to have too many, subscriptions open. So I think, and that's what I was saying yesterday, right? It's probably that people are going to start bouncing around subscription bases, particularly because they're not all putting content at a fast enough pace, right? And they're not dosifying it. They're just putting out the content out there. You binge watch it in a day or a week or like 2 weeks, and then that's it. You're out of content until, either the next month or next couple of months when they release another series, right? So it's just, particularly with Disney, with they're also not putting up a lot of content. They're trying to dosify it a little bit, and I think that's what we're seeing a lot. This company is really trying to figure out how they're going to keep you hooked. And part of Disney already said they're going to come up with a cheaper alternative, which is going to have ads. And then Netflix just also said the same today, that they're going to come up with a cheaper alternative to their subscription base where they're going to have ads, And the question is, are people going to be willing to pay, and how much is of a discount are you going to get if you get ads? So if you get ads, you're expecting to get a pretty good discount, right? If you still have to pay, instead of $20, you're going to pay $15 for Netflix. You're going to get ads, well, screw that. Probably people are going to keep on paying, or people might just drop it, right? A $55 discount is not a lot, right? So $5,000, he still has Netflix. All right. Again, remember, we're looking for a potential reaction rally to come in, maybe get us to pop. I'm not sure if we're going to go for the 20 moving average, but that'll be around 263, man, right? It's about a $40 pop. Right. Cool. All right, we're going to look at ADA. And I stopped the music, and that's fine. We don't need the music. ADA at 94.7. Still below the 95.3 cent mark, and you can see that we're trying to reclaim it. And we've just been struggling to get back above it, right? We've just been struggling. So hopefully we're going to reclaim it. It looks like we're going to test it again today. Neutral, 43.98. Not a lot happening here on the 4-hour chart. Again, we popped more higher and higher, unlike Ethereum, which was coming in lower. But we don't have anything here that is bearish for now. And again, trying to hold support and bounce at the 20 moving average, neutral at 51.90 on the 1-hour chart. Man, look at this. We popped more. We still created that bearish divergence. Why are we creating that bearish divergence? Well, it's easy. We're still coming, from this island. This is all one island. If we swim in here, there's no breaks. One island to the next island, dropping, getting some of that bearish divergence. And with that, again, potential for action to the downside. And we're starting to get that drop. Now, on that drop, low, lower low, more negative momentum, and lower on the RSI, so we don't have anything bullish to go on. That is it for ADA, neutral at 51.93. So, guys, again, we have a couple of minutes left. If you have any questions for Jake or May regarding their project, please let me know so we can discuss them and take advantage that they're here and they can answer your questions directly regarding their Peppy Pals projects, right, guys? So, please
I'm
let me know.
Here, but MA ghosted.
That's all good, no worries. Jake's still here to answer questions. So again, guys, if you have any questions, please, just bring them up and we can look at them. And this is Peppy Pal's website. They're having their founders card, their promo cards. There's a couple, 2 cards already minted. The Giuseppe and the Satoshi Pal. Minting tokens are, I think, 500 from what Jake told me. And it gets explained here. It says Peppy Pal tokens will be tradable on open markets. They will create limited dispensers at 500 a token. You can only ever be 100 max supply of this tokens, right? So only 100 artists can be minting at a time. And if they don't reclaim the token, then it goes back onto the dispenser. So you have 72 hours to basically reclaim, but you get it at a discount price of 250 instead of having to repay the 500, right? So yeah, first Peppy Pal dispensers, and there says here the amount that they're worth in Bitcoin. And again, if you want to mint here on this, I guess, network or chain, I guess. No, it's not a chain. It's a network, I guess we could say. We're in a group of artists that are going to be minting here on Peppy Pals. You guys can go ahead and acquire your token, I guess, your Wizards dispenser. You can go there and click it, and I'll take you to, the site where you can purchase it, right? So, again, guys, if you guys want to mint here, please consider it. And then, if you have NFTs or you want to get into NFTs and you think the barrier is too high, you can always try minting elsewhere and then just come back here. But again, this network's going to keep on growing. It just basically started today. And I wish Jake and May the best of luck with this. Yeah, go ahead, Jake.
Here's something else I just want to say about NFTs that a lot of people don't know or didn't realize or haven't realized yet. But Bitcoin on NFTs on Bitcoin have been around since Ethereum was even a thing. Ethereum came out in 2015, I think it was June or July or something, and NFTs have been on Bitcoin since like 2014 or before, using Counterparty, which is like it's built into the Bitcoin blockchain. So it's not like its own blockchain or anything. It's built into the actual blocks of Bitcoin. So it's really cool. I've been really researching it a lot more the last year. I made that countercord bot, which is pretty useful, I feel like. I'm still improving that. And But yeah, most people don't realize Bitcoin has had NFTs for a long time, and some of them are historical. Like the test asset that was 8 years ago was minted, and there's only 400 of them, and they go for like $17,000 each. Like they're historical. People are always gonna want something like that. So.
Awesome. Yeah. And I think you showed me one of those the other day, man. And you know, it's really cool. Again, I wish you and May a lot of luck in this project. I really wish you guys do good, and that this starts to pick up steam, and we start to get more people to come in and mint on, and we can see this pals decks keep on growing, and you know, I think that's what we ultimately want for everyone, right? So. Best of luck with this project. I know you're still gonna be here around, so you know you can always, if people have questions, they can come in here and they can ask, or they can just go to the So Crypto Discord, or you can go to the Peppy Pals Discord and just post your questions there. I know May is gonna be there and Jake are gonna be there, and you guys can answer the questions from whoever is trying to, you know, get into the project or mint stuff on the project. I think that's gonna be awesome.
I agree.
Yeah.
Well, appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of voice chat. I think MA still has some questions. We're trying to finish the site up and stuff with some other little.
Yeah, no worries. No worries, man. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for talking about your project. And you know, Jake, you guys know Jake. He's been part of the So Crypto community for a while now. So yeah, if you want to help him out and get into his project, that's awesome. And yeah, we'll keep on going here with the corn and see what else is left before we wrap up, right? Thank you, Jake, for stopping by. Thank you, May, for stopping by and for showing us a project. I'm gonna talk to you guys afterwards about it. Probably I have questions, but
definitely talk to us afterwards. Don't buy one yet because we got something for you.
All right, cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. All right, so let me hop off here, guys, off this Discord, and there we go. Just let me make sure the chat's muted. And there it is, guys. Thank you very much for joining again. Let's look at what's left here. And we have, you know, Bitcoin trying to make a move, right? That's where we're at. I do believe 45K is within the realm of possibilities, right? That will be a good, solid target for us to go to. We need to get above that 40,000. I think we have a resistance around 43 as well. And then the next main one is going to be 45K. But you know, we could see a rally spark. We just don't have a lot of bullishness to come in behind and help push it forward. That would have been so much better if we had something bullish to really help the rally come through. I think we're getting some kind of reaction rally. We're definitely trying to go bullish, but we're not seeing anything bullish come in to suggest that this has strength behind it. Could it be a suckers rally? Man, it would suck if it is a suckers rally. That means that, you know, people are going to get hyped and trying to get into this, and it's not really going to lead anywhere. That was going to be horrible. Anyways, guys, I think it's going to be it for tonight. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, the sub. Make sure you join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. I think that's going to be it for tonight. All the information we'll provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. We didn't get a lot of requests today for coins. So, you know, I'm glad that, you know, Jake and May had a time to stop by and we were able to talk about their project and, you know, how things are going on the Peppy Pals. I think this is awesome. And that's going to be it for right now, guys. Again, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.